Hello and welcome back. Christmas is behind the corner and we are all getting ready decorating our homes. So for today I prepared a very quick tutorial on how to make Christmas themed candles. First of all, you need a couple of thick candles which are either white or cream. I also have a couple of paper napkins with white background. I have water, brush and baking paper, or for those of you in United States, I think it's called parchment paper, and I will be using heat gun. You can use hair dryer instead, but it will take a little bit longer to work around candles. As usual, links with items used in my video are in the description below. Thank you so much for supporting my small art shop. I start from removing two bottom layers of my napkin, leaving only top colored one, and I use thin brush with water to tear around images. Once my picture is ready, I place it on the candle, covering it with baking paper, and I start heating it, gently pressing paper with my fingers. Make sure you don't make your candle too hot, as it will get soft and surface will be uneven. I work here and there and then I move away to let it cool down. Then I come back again to the same spot if needed. When most of my napkin is soaked in wax, I remove paper and I heat candle again, smoothing it with my fingers. candles are finished and cool, so I cut sheet of plastic and I wrap them nicely, adding some ribbons on the top. You can also use candle box if you wish to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please sign up for newsletter on my website in order to get notified every time new video is released or when there are sales in my shop. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.